In this video, you'll learn how to get a Grok API key step by step. By the end, you'll have your own key from the XAI Cloud Console and understand how to store it securely so you can start using Grok in your applications or workflows. First, open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type console.x.ai or enter it directly into your address bar. Before moving forward, double-check that the website is legitimate by verifying the domain and looking for the secure lock icon in your browser. If prompted, sign in with your XAI account and select the appropriate workspace or team. Once inside the console, locate the left-hand navigation panel and click on API Keys. This is where you can manage and create keys for your projects. Next, click the Create API Key button. You'll be asked to provide a name for your key. Choose something clear and descriptive, such as test key. If there are additional fields like team selection or descriptions, fill them out according to your setup. Consistent naming makes it easier to manage and rotate keys later. When you're ready, click Create API Key. Your key will be generated and usually displayed only once, so make sure to copy it immediately. Store your API key in a secure location, such as a password manager or an encrypted secrets vault. Treat it like a password. Don't share it publicly, don't include it in screenshots, and never commit it to your source code. Instead, use environment variables or a secure secrets manager. If you believe your key has been exposed, go back to the API Keys section and rotate or revoke it right away. And that's it. You've successfully created your Grok API key and are ready to start building. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and easy guides. Thanks for watching.